So I was sent a scene, a Maya file, and I wanted to show you a few things that we could do to improve it and fix it. And the first thing I want to do is I'm going to open it up, and I was sent just the Maya file, and I was also sent the texture files separately. So the first thing you're going to notice that since I didn't get the project folder, when the Maya file opens up, we are going to see that it is just the geometry, and there isn't any textures attached to it. And there are some textures here. So the first thing we can do to fix this is that I was given the texture files here, and I can basically reattach them. And so to do that, I would go into the Hypershade, and where are we? Rendering editors, Hypershade. And when we open up the Hypershade, you're going to know that the files are missing because the material is black. That means that there's no texture file attached to it. So let's start with the roof file. So I'm going to select that and open up its attributes, Control A, in the attributes editor, and I am going to navigate the color to that file, and it's a layered texture, so I'm going to go here, and it's going to tell me where it's looking for it, and this is on the original computer, not my computer. So what I can do is I can just go re-navigate to that that original file, and let's just see if we can find it. And here it is, it's originals, and that is going to be the shingles. It's shingles 2, and I just open that up and reload it, and if we look, the file comes in, and then I have to do that to the other files as well. So I'm going to go to Lambert 10, which is the grass sample, and I'm going to just navigate to the grass, open that up, and then I'm going to go to the other missing one and go to, it's the sighting, so I'm going to go, and it's going to go to where I last navigated to, so it's I don't have to keep re-navigating, and I'm going to open it up like that. And this is how the file came in with the textures attached to it. Now there is actually a better way to do this. We can't do it this way. We can save the file, and now every time we open up the file on my computer, it's going to find those texture files. The better way to do that is, I'm going to close this out. I'm not going to save it. Is that I already have a project folder that I made, and all I did is you can name it anything you want. I called it texture test, and I put in a scenes folder and a source images folder. And first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to open up the source images folder, and I'm going to copy those image files into the source images folder, paste them right in there, and then I'm also going to copy the Maya file, and I'm going to copy that into the scenes folder, just like that. Okay, so now I have a project folder built. A couple things we're going to need to do. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to open up that Maya file, and it is going to open up, and it's not going to find the textures quite yet. And what it's going to do, so we're just going to continue here, and it's going to open up without the textures. But what I can do is I can go here, I can go to File, Set Project, and I'm going to set that project to that new project folder that I just built, which is called Texture Test. And it's going to ask me create a default workspace. And now what I do is I just go to File, Open Scene. It's going to go right to that scene, that Maya file that I put in to the new project folder. And I'm going to open that up. Don't save. I don't want to save the last file. And there you go. And now the textures will come in because it is now linking to the project folder.